Affiliate Millionaire, why 99% fail and how you can be the 1% that succeed. Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's Affiliate Millionaire in 2 minutes, we're going to talk about why 99% of affiliate marketers fail. And in a moment, I'll reveal the way that you can be in the 1% that succeed. So why do most affiliate marketers fail? 3 words: shiny object syndrome. When you get started, you'll be joining lists or subscribing to channels to learn how things work and to get going. But you'll quickly find out that there are new must-have products, programs, and training coming out multiple times a day. And other affiliates are happy to tell you about them. That is the way the game is played, after all. And this is the main reason why most people fail at this business. They start investing in something, try it out for a bit, but don't finish it, and then squirrel! Yep, they get distracted by something else and jump into it and try that opportunity instead. After a few cycles of this, drained bank accounts, and no results, people say it doesn't work and they quit. So now on to how you can avoid this and become the 1% that succeed. The truth is many trainings, products, and services actually are based on real results. So in short, the methods can work. You have to be dedicated to sticking to one and not get distracted by the next new thing. If you like these quick hit internet marketing videos, please click the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. In the next video, we'll discuss the question, can you become a millionaire from affiliate marketing? See you then.